Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to reset settings in Gumble with your friends. Let's start off by opening the settings menu. From here, simply select the tab you wish to reset and scroll down. Then hit reset to default. Let me change some things right here, like mouse sensitivity and controller sensitivity, to showcase to you that it does indeed work. Each tab has its own reset to default button, which you can easily hit by scrolling to the bottom of it and hitting reset to default. Of course, once you reset your any one of those or all of those, after you reset, of course, you can simply close the menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.